Okay, we have Dr. Chen again. It's already 6 months he did a beard hair transplant. Today he would like to share his journey from day one to today. Would you like to say something, Dr. Chen?
Morning, hi. So today is 6 months and 1 week, and I'm here for my review with Dato. So far, all good. I'm happy with the progress. There's a huge difference. Last time there's a big gap in the middle, so now it is filled with hair. And previously there was nothing on the sides at all. So now the hair has started growing, and you can see even the beard and the original mustache is thicker now. This area here, some of the hair is still not there, so waiting for it to come. But we already checked with the folliscope today, and you can see that the new hair will be coming up. So far all good, and I'm happy to have done the beard transplant here.